Hi, I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie. We're Sisters in Stitches and Sisters in Real Life.
Yes, we are. Welcome to our channel. We have, this is a little bit late. I know there's been a few unboxings of these, but I tried not to watch any so that I can be surprised as to what is in our box. But it is our FabFitFun quarterly
upside down. There you go.
Oh, there you go. FabFitFun quarterly box. It's $49.99. I think with shipping it comes to $53.70, and it comes out once a quarter. So I haven't even opened it yet. So it comes like this. You get $50 off of HelloFresh. Cute little sticker. Can't really see too much because it's all buried, but let us see what we got. So the first thing it says is it's an unplugged
meditation aromatherapy diffuser.
Oh.
It retails for $55.
Oh my gosh. This looks amazing.
Ooh, watch it. They sent you a little bottle. It's called Happy for the diffuser.
So how is it a meditating thing?
It's got orange and stuff in it. It's orange and...
I like orange.
Yeah, it is orange.
Yeah, it is. That's good.
It's a diffuser.
I know, but why is it Unplug Meditation is the world's first drop-in meditation studio with 2 locations? Oh, we also have an app called Unplug Guided Meditation, which is used by thousands in over 60 countries, and a book. So they collaborated with FabFitFun.
That's great. You know when my meditation is? When I open my Bible in the morning and sit and talk to the Lord. That's when I meditate.
All right. I am not unhappy with this at all. And I have plenty of essential oils, so that will come in handy.
That's a nice little...
It is. For $50, that just paid for the box. This little thing just paid for the box.
This is the ultimate Zen experience.
Well, you know when I like that, if I do the app, it's when I go to sleep at night, which drives Debbie crazy. Absolutely crazy. Ooh, this is a heavy jar. What is this?
Tell me the name of it and
Let's
I'll look
see.
it up.
It's Relax Champagne. Oh, this is like a theme going on here. It is Champagne Charcoal Scrub.
I don't see it here.
By Manna Kadar.
Oh, here it is. Manna Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. Formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. And it retails for $24.
All right, wait. I got some scissors right here. I want to just show you guys in case none of you have seen it yet. I haven't seen it. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Looks like foamy black stuff.
Oh, that's going to be a nice, fun Sunday spa day. We should do a video with our black masks on. You know, I did have somebody request us to do like a review. I don't think that's a good idea. To do a review on some of these products. And Debbie and I were talking about it. So when we get these lifestyles, a lot of times the products just sit in the box going unused, you know. So what we're going to do is split these products up. We're going to try it, and then we'll come back to you and say, you know, here's our FabFitFun box review and what we liked and what we didn't like. So I think it'll be fun. But look at the container. It's so pretty.
It's a big container.
I like it a lot. All right, what else? It looks like a little bitty bracelet or necklace.
The Two Bandits Athens necklace, simple yet elegant, an iridescent necklace is a timeless piece to add to your collection. It retails for $30.
Wow, really? This?
Yeah.
Okay. I think my granddaughter will really like that.
Well,
it's pretty.
Designed with love in San Francisco.
Yeah.
Caring,
does it say who makes it, though? I mean,
caring for plated jewelry. Move when you shower or getting into water before. Oh, it's just plated.
Yeah, so it's not sterling silver, so I don't know why it'd be worth $30. But it's pretty. It's kind of a layering piece, so, you know, it's all right. All right, next. There's a lot of stuff in here. Libido, not libido, Libido.
Libido Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. This deliciously scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types, and it retails for $19.
You guys, this is really nice and thick. I hate when you get lotions that are like water.
How does it smell?
Oh my gosh. I could smell this all day.
This smells really pretty. Really
my
pretty.
gosh. I could smell this all day. It's not as good as our Sexy Man on the Beach in our last FabFitFun box, but okay, I am very happy with this. How much did
$19.
Oh my gosh, does that smell good. This box is so worth it. I've never been disappointed with this box. I'll put a link below. It's a quarterly box. You guys have got to try this out. It is so worth it. This is Hawaii. Is that how you would say it in Hawaiian?
Yeah, I guess they say every vowel.
It's leave-in conditioner.
And it retails for $26. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. So if you're going to like straight iron your hair or something, that would be a really good thing to leave in.
Yeah, it's really sealed in there, so I can't open it to smell it. So
that's a nice big bottle of it too.
Yeah, you flat iron your hair all the time, so you'll have to take that and try it out.
Especially now that I bleached it when we went blonde. It's a little damaged.
All right, so this is Dr. Brandt, which I've heard of. No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel.
You will use that, yeah.
Yeah, can you guys tell I've had a long day at work today? Oh my gosh.
What's the name of it again?
The No More Baggage Eye Dip by Dr. Brandt.
Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. It retails for $42. Cindy will like this because Cindy gets really severe circles under her eyes.
Yeah, really late at night.
In the morning.
Oh, this is great. And this is worth how much?
$42.
Oh my, see you guys, look, I paid $50 and I've got...
And it says, tip, don't be afraid of the salmon color. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly under your eyes.
All right, this is awesome.
I love this little book that they send too. It gives you all the information you need on how to use these products.
So that's 50, 75, 105.
It already says the total value is $226.99
yeah, because I didn't put any
add-on.
Yeah, I didn't put any add-on. So my box was worth $226 and I paid $50 for it. Okay, this is Tula Probiotic Skincare. It's a
purifying face cleanser. This isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. It retails for $28. It says massage the cleanser onto wet skin in small circular motions, then rinse.
All right.
It smells clean. I guess it's supposed to.
Yeah. Do we have a tissue over here? I'll just use it. It's nice. It's a nice, thick, like, gel. That's really nice. All right. I am not unhappy with this either. Holy cow.
That's a big bottle.
Oh, I don't know what this is.
That's Sun Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. Your spring picnic isn't complete without this handy set. It includes 2 cutlery sets, fork, knives, and spoons, and 2 plates, so you can create a gorgeous picnic setting.
This is awesome. Oh, look at you guys. Isn't that cute? 2 little plastic plates.
Yeah, I don't know if they'd look so cute going back in there full of food.
No, but it's like a canvas that you can, oh, this is so cute. Very cute.
No, I wouldn't use that.
I would.
I'd throw paper plates and plasticware that I could toss out when I'm done.
Yeah, but you can zipper this up.
Yeah, with food on the plate. Yeah.
Hey, you know what this would be good for if you're traveling and you go out and you bring dinner back because you don't have any plates or forks or anything in the room?
Oh, that's true.
You can throw this in your suitcase and you can eat food in your room on plates like civilized people.
Yeah, that's
all right. I think that's it. Oh, you guys, I am so happy with this box. I'll put the link below so that you guys can sign up, and Debbie and I will try all these products out, and we'll come back to you with a review. So you might want to hit that subscribe button. You just might, and the notify bell, so that when we come back with our review, you are right there waiting for us. So
yeah, so, and two, it looks like they give you this thing and it says, like, Cindy got this in this line. She could have got it, there were sunglasses or some brightening sleeping facial cream and this. And it looks like you get one out of each.
And you can pay for add-ons if you want. And I don't know what the pricing is, but I didn't do any of the add-ons because I just forgot to go and look, so.
FabFitFun is always a really fun box, so it's you're never going to be disappointed with it.
No.
You'll always
find... And I still smell good.
Yeah, that lotion, that's really, really pretty.
So
give it a try. Go to their website and take a look at their boxes. It's really fun.
It doesn't come out for another 2.5, 3 months, so you got plenty of time. So
we'll put all the information below so you can go right to the link.
All right.
All right, ladies. That was our FabFitFun. Hey, does anybody do HelloFresh? They also sent Cindy a $50 off card.
Yeah. I'll be happy to mail it to you.
Oh, 25 off your first 2 deliveries.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, you can't. If anybody wants this, just the email's going to be below. I'll be more than happy to send it to you. If you are thinking about trying HelloFresh, yeah, just let me know, and I'll save it and mail it to anybody who wants it. So,
all right. We'll be coming
back
at you shortly with some more unboxings.
All right. We'll see you soon.
Oh. Hit that subscribe button. It's right there. We're trying to get to 1,000 by Easter, and we need your help. So press it. It's not a big of a deal. Just go press it.
Oh, look at my hair. It's standing up all over. Okay. Good night, ladies.
Good night. And gents.